When LWPython sees a class header, it will perform the following actions. First, Python creates a new entry in the class map with the class name as the key and an empty map as the value. Second, Python creates or updates an entry in the control map to indicate that Python is entering a class body. The key is the current tab, which is 0, and the value is the pair class and the class name. Finally, Python enters the class body by incrementing the current line and current tab by 1. Let's try running the following program in the simulator. At time 0, Python is in line 1, tab 0. The statement at line 1, tab 0 is class person. Python is going to record this new class in the class map. At time 1, the class map contains a new entry person at line 1. The current line is now 2 and the current tab is 1. The statement at line 2 tab 1 is the init method header. Python is going to create a new entry for the init method in the person class map. At time 2, we can see the init method at line 2 inside the person class. The current line is now 3 and the current tab is 1. Python is going to skip the method body. Then it encounters the method age in months at line 6. Python is going to also record this method in the class map. At time 6, we can see two methods, init and age in months, in the person class. In general, if at time t, the line is I, the tab is 0, the control map is cm, and the class map is cds, and the statement at line I tab 0 is a class cname with basis bs, then at time t plus 1, the line is I plus 1, the tab is 1, and the control map is the result of storing the pair class and cname at key 0 in cm, and the class map is the result of storing the map with basis bs and methods with an empty map, and line with I at key cname in cds. The next property describes what happens when Python encounters a method header. If at time t, the line is I, the tab is 1, the control map is cm, and the class map is cds, and the statement at line I tab 1 is a method named mname with parameters ps, and the value at 0 in map cm is the pair class and cname, and the value at cname in map cds is cmap, and the value at methods in map cmap is method map, and the result of storing the map params ps and line I at key mname in method map is new method map, and the result of storing new method map at key methods in cmap is new cmap. Then at time t plus 1, the line is I plus 1, the tab is 1, the control map is cm, and the class map is the result of storing new cmap at key cname in cds.